Hey, what up, y'all? So this is the Stroker Airsal that we getting ready to take over to SoCal here September 28th. So what we have here is a T6 Racing Airsal jug, 47.6 bore. This is running a 45 stroke, so we got a custom spacer on this one. The exhaust was widened just a little bit, nothing too crazy. You can see there everything else was pretty much left because the stock timings on this thing is insane. So I didn't want to mess too much with it. I figured, we can just do some widening on the exhaust, cleaning up the casting, right, improving the flow, those type of things. But otherwise, everything else was left stock. I can't wait to ride this thing, man. I mean, we're looking at like 13 horsepower. With the stroker, we're looking at 80 cc's on this thing. It's going to be a beast. It's going to be insane. So just look out for it. I'll post a video here of the first start probably next weekend. And then, some riding videos after that. Right now, I'll be using the jog pipe with it. But depending on how it runs, I might get something else. Maybe a dirt bike pipe or some pipe from like Scooter Swap Shop or Maxi Scoot or something, right? But man, this thing is smooth. The crank spins smoothly, as you can see there. Yeah, I don't got no complaints on this thing, man. Definitely a great build. Case reed case, it's a phantom case, current case reed. So I'll be using the G2 reed, the AM6 G2 reed block with the AM6 reed. Also running the 090 carburetor, also referred to as the HL324A carb. So yeah, man, y'all be on the lookout. Like, comment, let me know what y'all think. Appreciate it.